going to the old Phuket town from our hotel. It'll take around 30 minutes perhaps. This is my area, as you can see, with a lot of shops. Continue once we reach. भाई हमारे साथ प्रिंसिपल आ चुकी हैं, हम स्कूल के बाहर ही हैं. प्रिंसिपल आ जाएं. It had casinos, now it has changed into a tourist destination. Everybody comes over here for spotting good places. Now we'll cross the road. रुक जाओ, रुक जा नहीं सकते, हम जा नहीं सकते. क्रॉसिंग वहाँ थी वैसे. The vibe of this place, and this is French toast and ice cream. Okay, they have duck leg confit, and there is some sort of old press over here. Photographers, press people. I'm at the old Phuket town again, telling you the whole story because this is one of the most happening place in Phuket. Normally people take pictures over here, so we are finding another place or taking pictures. A lot of tourists come over here to take pictures. So I don't think this is the place, or I think this is the place. I would ask the people where this place is. They have a couple of shops. I think this is some if you want to get your hair beaded and stuff, this is a shop for that. There are legal medical cannabis available, of course. So we will cross the road. Street art by King Mumbai. They have this shop. I think I have to buy something from here. Probably I have to Google translate the thing and tell it to the Thai people. There's an old BMW, as you can see, and we are good to go. Food? You want food?
Food.
Okay, we are
Something
looking forward to.
No.
Guys, there's a huge stall on the crosswalk. And I don't know what that is, but some place people are ordering food. I don't know what that is, but seems lit. And there's a journal store. This is also a journal store, medication store. So yeah, this is some sort of school building. I think we are at the wrong place. So yeah, we are hanging around in the corner. That is it. It's roaming around with no direction, to be honest. It's roaming around. It's just like, you know, an arrow being pulled off, and the arrow doesn't know where to go. This is the old Phuket town with old buses. These are the kids who are suffering. There's some squish, and obviously this is a good small shop for things. Old Phuket town is different as usual. If we would have opened up Google map, we would find out where the specific location is, but we have not used technology. For instance, there's a Karima shop which we buy flour and stuff. We are finding McDonald's, but there is no chance of finding McDonald's. We're just going in a maze currently. We also used Google Map, but somehow the last McDonald's has been closed and it was still on the Google Map. And considering that, we are still walking and finding the way. Maybe it's in a mall or something. And obviously we are just finding the ultimate destination for eating food, etc.
Enjoy the rhythm of our live band as you sing
भाई बहुत लंबे टाइम बाद हमने मैकडॉनल्ड्स ढूंढ ली है इकोइस के लाइमलाइट मॉल में फुकेट में, और आई थिंक 20 मिनट्स की वॉक की है हमने फुकेट टाउन में। बहुत बड़ा है फुकेट टाउन ना, ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन। और मेन्यू भी सिंपल है, यहीं से कुछ खाते हैं। Are at Phuket Indie Market and there is no vaping, no smoking till 10 p.m. So we have to be especially careful for that purposes. And I'll be wearing my sunglasses back on because it's sunny outside. That's the reason I'm wearing my sunglasses. Yeah. So they have small ornaments and jewelries. You can come and buy. It's very this is pens, I think, and glasses. And hello, hi, how are you? This is pants available. There are shorts. I usually got those before as well. And there's this food market. There was a food market over here. They have noodles, they have salted eggs, and they have some candy. So I'm just coming outside of this market because the Phuket market was good enough, but as you can see, it just ends right then here over. It's the ending of the market, and they are selling pad thai over here. That's the curry, and that's it. Probably koi soy chicken and some vegetables. So yeah, almost tired. Thinking to go back to our own place because this is a vibe of, you know, old laid back sort of vibe Phuket Old Town has. If you're into laid back situations, this is a place for you. But for people like me who are like, you know, want happenings, things, this is not the place. And this is, I think, corn. And this is fries, chicken nuggets. This is some, looks something nice as well. And yeah, that's about it. I'm selling some stickers. Shirts. Okay, I'm thinking that by now finishing our journey and going back, because so we are in a park. We are in some park in Phuket. As I told you, it's a laid back town, so yeah, it's quite fun to be here. But for people who love calmness,